welcome to the kitchen. Today, we're making a classic comfort food that's perfect for any occasion: cheesy scalloped potatoes. This dish is creamy, cheesy, and packed with flavor. Let's dive in. So let's get started. Grab your ingredients and let's dive into creating this irresistible, easy-to-make recipe that will leave everyone asking for seconds. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe to the Kitchen Diaries channel.